Hey everyone, welcome back to another Rich Has an Opinion. First of all, sorry for my lack of content. First of all, I had a hard drive die, and that was the hard drive that contained everything with the channel. Yeah, bit of a kick in the balls. And then my graphics card decided it was going to go down the same route. Fair enough, it was old as shit, but you know, it needs to be taken behind the barn and put out of its misery and replaced. But anyway, I'm back. I've got a few videos in the process. First of all, if my sister's watching this, thank you for the mug. Brother, bell end, fuck you sis. Thank you.